Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today I just want to help you guys to focus and to get SMMA clients, okay? Now a lot of you guys are having problems with picking up the phone, making calls, perhaps sending out cold emails, and doing the necessary things you need to do to get clients. And the reason why you're having challenges, ladies and gentlemen, is because you're not disciplined. Okay, one of the things, the problems that I faced too, is I was undisciplined. Okay, and if you're not disciplined, ladies and gentlemen, that means you can't make yourself do the necessary things to have success in social media marketing. Okay, see, a lot of us are programmed to enjoy life. We want to watch TV. We want to enjoy Netflix and go bowling and all that type of stuff. Okay, our mind doesn't like to do the quote-unquote hard things. We don't want to be rejected. But the truth of the matter is when you make calls, okay, you get clients, okay? And so the problem that most of you guys are having is you're not disciplined. So how do you get disciplined, Maurice? Because when you get disciplined, that's when you start to make, $10,000 a month. The people that you see on top in SMMA that are having phenomenal success is not about the strategies. A lot of you guys think it's strategy. Oh man, I don't want to do cold calls. I want to do other stuff. It does not matter what strategy you implement, whether it's Facebook ads, YouTube ads, sending cold emails, sending direct mail, cold calling, whatever it may be. If you're not disciplined, okay, that's the problem. If you're not disciplined, you can't do the activity that you need to do in order to get clients, okay? So let me paint a picture for you. Let's say I figure out some new phenomenal strategy where I can just put Facebook ads up and clients are contact me, okay? I'll set up a simple opt-in page and I can get clients to call me or contact me. Now, that's an easy strategy, okay? Or it may seem easy, but if I'm not disciplined, I won't do the necessary things to set that campaign up, okay? Or the first sign of opposition that something don't work or it's not working, I'm gonna bail out. And that's what happens to 98% of the people when they're trying something new for the first time. They don't get success, okay, right away, and they quit. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, the number one thing that you got to remember is you got to be disciplined, because when you discipline, no matter what happens, you say, you know what, I know this is going to be hard, I know I might not succeed at first, but I'm going to get it done. Okay, you guys got to get it done. You have such a phenomenal opportunity right now to create massive wealth for yourself and your family, and you're letting your undisciplinedness get in the way and stop you from getting clients. Okay, so once again, how do you get disciplined? You got to write goals out. Okay, where do you want to be in the next 6 months? How much money do you want to make? How many clients do you want? Okay? How many clients do you want, ladies and gentlemen? Write it out. Okay? Do you want a boat? Do you want a house? Do you want to quit your job? What is it that you want? Okay? And I want you to write them out and look at them every day. Because see, that's what's going to drive you. Are you sick of your husband or wife? Are you sick of struggling? Are you sick of being in debt? These are the things that are going to get you disciplined. So you're either going to pay the pain of regret, or you're going to pay the pain of getting it done. The reward of discipline, or the pain of regret. You're gonna do either one. Okay. So write your goals out and look at them every single day. All right, because that's what's going to drive you to get on the phone and make the calls you need to make. Okay, because you got to make calls, or you got to send cold emails out. You got to do the outreach. Okay, clients are not just going to automatically show up at your door and say, hey, I want to sign up for your social media marketing services. That's not how it is. In fact, if that was the way it is, there wouldn't be any opportunity. Okay, quit wanting what you don't want. We don't want this to be easy, because if it was easy, We wouldn't have an opportunity. There will be no opportunity. Okay? So get your goals. Write your goals. Look at them every day. That's going to drive you. Okay? And then also, discipline is twofold. Okay? Discipline is like this. Discipline means to make yourself do what you set out to do. But discipline also means that if you don't do something, there's a punishment. Some of you guys are just letting yourself off the hook. You set a goal for the day and you don't hit that goal, and you still get to go out and enjoy ice cream. You still get to watch TV. You still get to buy clothes or go on Amazon and shop, because a lot of us can't go shopping right now, but you can still shop on Amazon. So what I want you to do is discipline yourself on the negative side, meaning that if you don't make 20 calls a day, okay, no sweets, no cookies, no Netflix, punish yourself. That'll make you more disciplined, okay? You got to punish yourself, okay? I have one where if I don't hit my goals, I go get a $100 bill and I burn it, okay? If I don't accomplish what I need to accomplish, I'm burning $100 bills. Why? My goals are important. I got to get clients. I got to help clients. I got to build my multi-million-dollar empire, and I can't let myself get in the way. And if myself gets in the way, I have to discipline myself. That's why we call it self-discipline. Nobody comes and say, hey, you know what, Maurice, I'm going to discipline you because you didn't make calls, or you didn't put out this video, okay? Or you didn't help nobody. Nobody comes and does that. You know, Maurice, you're going to get disciplined today because you didn't read. So you got to read. You got to listen to stuff. This is what millionaires do, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we read books. We watch courses. We buy courses. We get coaches. We apply. Okay, that's all we do. We apply stuff. You guys want to be a leader in social media marketing? Just apply everything that you consume. You will make so much money. A lot of you guys are just not doing it. Cold calling works. You guys probably have watched hundreds of my cold calling videos, and you still have not picked up the phone and made a dial yet because you're afraid, you're undisciplined. And today you are going to get it done. Okay, so what I want you to do, if you're having anxieties, you want to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month, and you have some money that you can invest in yourself, click the link in the description, sign up for coaching or a strategy session, or get the course, okay? Because, ladies and gentlemen, the opportunity is massive, okay? And you're allowing the psychological stuff to make you a procrastinator, to make you fearful of doing the necessary thing to be successful, okay? Success is a progressive realization of a worthy ideal, meaning that every day you make progression towards your goals. And the reason why you guys are blowing in the wind is because you don't have any goals. When you have goals, your money lines up with your goals. See, I can tell why so many people don't buy courses and get a coach is because they're not serious, they're not committed to success. Successful people do what unsuccessful people aren't willing to do. And I found that when I went from zero to making over 15 to 20 grand in SMMA, I got serious, I committed, I did the necessary stuff, I made the investment in coaches and courses and books and traveled across the world to meet the leaders. That's when I had my breakthrough. And if you guys want a breakthrough where you can literally fire your job like I did and do this at a high level, ladies and gentlemen, you got to get disciplined. You got to burn the bridges. You got to make investments in yourself, because there is no success without investment. A lot of you guys are trying to figure out, how can I cheat success? You can't. And the way you know you're trying to cheat success is that you won't invest in yourself. Everything's too expensive when it comes to a coach or a course. It's too expensive, okay? And the truth of the matter of it is that you're telling yourself you're not worthy enough. You're telling yourself you're not worth $1,000 course. You're not worth it. And so, ladies and gentlemen, don't do that to yourself. You deserve the best. And so when you look at a course, say, you know what? I'm worth it. I'm going to invest in that course. I'm going to get that coach. I'm going to do what I have to do. I'm going to pay the price. A lot of people don't want to pay the price. You have to, okay? So you guys are looking for all the strategies. And all you got to do is find one strategy and you get good at it. And when you get good at it, you're going to make a ton of money, okay? You focus on it. You get every course you can on that one strategy and you implement every day. And literally in 30 to 60 days, you have a six-figure income. Because you only need a few clients on social media. That's all you need. So do what you have to do, ladies and gentlemen, to get yourself to where you want to be. Don't be like the 98%ers out there. 98% of the people won't buy a course. 98% of the people won't get a coach. 98% of the people won't apply even the free YouTube information that they're getting. They make excuses why they can't do stuff. You can make excuses or you can make money, but you can't do both, okay? So you guys just think about that. Watch this video over and over. It'll help you to break that inertia, that fearfulness, those anxieties that you're having. And if that doesn't help, hire me as a coach and I will definitely take you by the hand and get you going in the right direction. So I hope this video has been of immense value to you. If you guys liked it, make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber of the channel, subscribe. I put out videos like these, mind hacks, to help you guys make a ton of money in SMMA and, you know, in internet marketing in general. Comment below. Let me know what you guys thought about it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.